Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Friday, July 10th, 2026. In today's session, we will review market movements across key indexes, sectors, technology stocks, cryptocurrencies, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. U.S. stock market indexes showed mixed performance today. The S&P 500 index rose to close at 7,574.71, gaining 31.7 points. Meanwhile, the Dow 30 index climbed 149.60 points to finish at 52,637.1. The Nasdaq Composite Index also rose by 74.71 points, closing at 26,281.61. In terms of market breadth, the S&P 500 showed considerable strength with 337 advances to 149 declines. The Dow 30 had more advances than losses, tallying 18 advancers to 12 decliners. The Nasdaq Composite saw declines overtake advances slightly today. Looking at returns, the S&P 500 achieved a weekly total return of 1.22% with strong daily growth. The Dow 30 posted negative returns for the week, but still exhibits a strong year-to-date return of 9.52%. The Nasdaq stood out with the highest year-to-date return of 13.08%. Among sectors, basic materials led the charge, closing at 638.83, a gain of 6.87 points. Communication services rose 4.27 points to 472.92 after breaking out from a three-day sideways pattern. Consumer defensive also saw gains, closing up 7.57 points at 929.93, despite an overarching strong negative trend. Healthcare experienced the most significant declines among sectors, dropping by 16.2 points to close at 1,876.14, and continues to face a very strong positive trend despite the setback. Industrials performed better, gaining 6.34 points to 1,539.26 amidst strong positivity. Globally, Brazil's ETF led gains with a solid rise, closing at 35.93, up 2.7%. Poland's ETF recorded a 1.9% increase, breaking past flat trading days. Japan's ETF followed with a 1.1% increase, maintaining a strong positive trend and breaking out of a sideways movement. Total returns show Brazil with impressive gains, achieving a week-to-date total return of 4.36%. Poland marked a 4.56% monthly total return. Japan's year-to-date return excelled at 17.1%. These ETFs signify global markets with noticeable upward momentum despite mixed trends. Tech stocks had a mixed performance today. Meta Platforms led the charge with a significant gain of 5.9%, closing at 669.21 amidst a strong upward volatility. Nvidia also shined, rising 4% to close at 210.96. Notably, Apple, Alphabet, and Amazon all closed down, reflecting varying trends. Apple dropped 0.28%, Alphabet fell 0.33%, marking 4 consecutive days of decline, while Amazon slipped 0.68%, continuing a flat streak. Despite this, both Apple and Nvidia exhibit strong positive trends.
Checking out crypto, Bitcoin is currently priced at 63,761.88, moving up 586.63. Momentum is gathering with 2 consecutive days of gains, yet a mixed negative trend persists. Ethereum is up at 1,791.74, a rise of 47.92 or 2.7%. Also heading upward for 2 days, but remains in a mixed negative trend. BNB trades at 575.21, adding 6.87, though a very strong negative trend continues. Meanwhile, Solana dipped to 77.83, driven down slightly by 0.16, and Dogecoin edges up to 0.0741, both in very strong negative trends despite flat 3-day movements. Regarding returns, Bitcoin has seen an 8.95% monthly increase, yet it's down 27.13% this year. Ethereum leads the month with a 14.16% gain, but dropped 39.61% YTD. BNB slipped 2.43% this week and remains 33.4% down YTD. Meanwhile, Solana stands at a 4.53% weekly loss, and Dogecoin faced a near 4.77% downhill slide weekly.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is currently gaining strength against the euro with a very strong positive trend. It is up by 0.14%, standing at 0.8759. Moving on, the dollar also shows a mixed positive trend against the British pound, increasing by 0.079% to 0.7465.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.